couple inches. There you go. Yeah. You know what? Normally, all right, stop. How'd you get that up there? Lift it?
What?
The bucket.
It was already up there. I did it up yesterday.
You're crazy. Normally you'd want the bucket like right where I'm standing, like right here. I'm just saying, because you can see it, you know, so now you need to come in closer. That's probably all right. See, because you need to be able to see, you know what I'm saying? Those lugs there and there need to go into there. So just kind of carefully, nice and slowly, go straight with the dipstick now. Straight on in there. Kind of like, all right, now curl it in. You got it. So now lift up slowly and keep curling slowly. I usually keep it right there. See that, like this is kind of level? Yeah, I mean, now you back up, get that lower to the ground, and you know, get your pin in. You know, they never got me a nice lift like that, so I'm always used to working off the ground. And then I always kind of pretend what the, you know, what's an operator going to be doing? That's the most banana thing about it is I'll have to ask my boss one of these days and how many machines I've probably, left or right? I think on a scientific level, I don't think it matters. I think that's just going to be an odds of, you know, where the machine is and which side the guy, you know, I guess if you're walking out of the machine and walking up to the bucket, when you want it on that side, I've never thought about it, but now that I thought about it, you know, I mean, that's probably going to be a good bet. But at the same time, I don't think you can go wrong there. Those pins, that pin for that excavator, they're the most nastiest linchpin out there. Hold on. That pin right there has to go through like butters. You cannot hit that one through. I'm never gonna get all this work done today. I'm never gonna get all this work done. All right, stop, relax. I can help you. There's like 80, the paint is twice as thick as it ever was before. So, hold on, relax.
I am pretty goddamn relaxed.
No, relax. Give me that pin. I'm trying to help you out. Get in the machine, please.
No.
Relax, no. Sometimes this trick works. Like I said, it's brand new. There's so much paint. Carefully put the thumb against the bucket. Slight pressure.
More pressure?
I don't know what it is with new guys in GoPros. Oh, there we go. All right, so just leave this right here, maybe apply a tad bit more pressure, raise it up a little bit at comfortable filing. You're just gonna have to take my half round file. You just have a snarl. Look at it, perfect. See, it goes through right here. Perfect. You just got a slight little something right here. We're just gonna have to file out. Oh, look at, there it is. There it is. Thank God. So, like I said, sometimes when they're
learning the tricks like this, I wouldn't
Listen, the reality of it is when they're building this stuff, the measurements, I don't think they haven't figured out how much paint are on the parts when they're actually trying to meet for the first time. You get what I'm saying? Because as soon as a half a shovel of dirt gets dumped into a pickup truck, you get what I'm saying? And then it gets shaken around a little bit, it will fit 100% like it will. The double down on the paint thickness thing has made assembly extra fun. But good news is, you know, it's all double thick where it counts as well. So I hope you enjoy the entertainment. And all right, let's get back on track. I need some more electrical line. Now we're looking much better. Yeah, let's see Project Farm do a little video on snap ring pliers. It's definitely something. I probably should have got the next size up. It's been a minute since I've done a BX. Let me see. I get new clips anyway. Oh, I can definitely get a bigger pair. I guess so. Little clip. Alright, we'll just stick with the medium size ones. See, those babies are really thick laterally. So you don't get all twisty on you when you're applying some serious pressure.